collecting feedback or testimonials from your clients is super important. It's a way of marketing your services, marketing what you do. It's a way of proving that you do what you say you can do, right? So it's a very effective marketing tool, and it's also a good way to help improve your services. I like feedback forms as opposed to just collecting testimonials, because that will help you to improve your services as well as get the good, the bad and the ugly regarding your services. I know that oftentimes people don't have time to ask their clients for feedback, or maybe it's just a lengthy process asking over and over again because people are busy, right? So what I do for myself and for my clients is I have a feedback workflow that really helps take the pressure off asking my clients for feedback or asking their clients. So this is something that I did for my client the other day. I just wanted to share this with you. It's a simple workflow. It doesn't have to be difficult. That's one thing to mention, is that it doesn't have to be difficult. So the first thing that you can do, or the first thing that you should do, is to create the form, okay? So creating the form, you want to have simple, easy questions. You don't want it to be longer than 2 minutes, or even less than that, I would say. Depending on what kind of questions you are asking, I tend to ask questions that get the client to giving feedback regarding the transformation that they've received whilst working with you. So that's just a quick tip there. So you want to use something like a Google form. I like Google Forms because you can create this into graphs and data that can really help to, help you analyze your service. And then there's other tools that you can use, such as SurveyMonkey, Jot Forms and Typeform as well, so you can use that. And then the next thing that you want to do is create your emails. Now I often say, like, you can create 2 emails, or depending, you kind of know your clients, how many reminders do they need before they actually give you the feedback that you need, okay? So you want to create like something like 2 emails, and you're going to do this within your CRM. So if you're using a CRM or something like an email marketing tool as well, then you can set up your emails in there. And then the next thing that you want to do is document. Now, when I say document, you want to create your workflow. You want to write down the process of how this is going to happen. And the reason why you want to do this is because you're going to think about when do you want to send the feedback form. So one of the things that I did for my client was like a few weeks before the end of the program, or in the middle of the program, depending on when you want to get your feedback. Think about the best time, and this will definitely help you with the build. So now you want to build the workflow within your CRM or your email marketing tool, okay? Because you understand the process, you've got all the resources that you need, then you start to build it in your CRM or your email marketing tool. And then after you've built it, then you want to test it. Now, this is a very important step. You want to make sure that what you are doing is working, it's going out when it needs to go out, and then you want to test, fix whatever the issue is, and then you want to launch, okay? Then you can start launching it. So you can start getting clients into this workflow. You can add to the workflow depending on your process. This is how to simplify your feedback workflow. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments.